Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter of the pollen filter on Opel Astra H. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box, so in order to get access to it we need to remove the glove box. The glove box is held by 4 bolts. There is one there, and two on the other side, one there and one down there. First we're going to remove those 4 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the 4 bolts are removed, we're going to pull out the glove box and it should come out. That's the glove box out. Now there is an electrical connector for this light that we need to just disconnect. You just need to pull out the connector. And now we'll put the glove box to the side, and that's where the cabin filter is. To get access to the cabin filter, first we need to remove those 3 bolts holding the cabin filter cover, and then we'll pull out the cover. Now that the 3 bolts are out, now we're going to pull out the cabin filter cover and we'll see the cabin filter behind it. That's the cabin filter cover out, and that's the cabin filter right there. Now we need to pull out the cabin filter and replace it with a new one. This is the new cabin filter, and that's the part number for it. Next we're going to put the cabin filter in, then we're going to put the cabin filter cover back on, and then the glove box back on. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.